Hey guys, we're going to explain like a big, really funny story. It happened maybe a week ago or something, and it was, we were up at this, like, my dad is a part of this fishing club, and it's in the kind of a rough area. So we were clearing the seaweed, and then we decided we went on a boat, me, my dad and someone else, but the boat just holds 3 people, so it does. So we went there on the boat, and we went out, and it was like a wee lake. It was quite high. It was about 20 foot deep, maybe 40 foot deep, right in the middle. And then yeah, so we went out on the boat and to clear the weeds. So when we were going to end that day, so we're about to go home. So and then when we went over, we went to park the boat on like a pier, I think it's called, so we could like jump out of it. But when we went over slowly to tie it up, one of the boys, well, my dad's friend out of the fishing club, leaned over to see. He went over and the boat started leaning over, and then I was there, and then my dad was on the other side. We noticed because he did it when he saw a fish and he tried to grab it. Dad, he leaned over, and then the boat started like going over her. No. And then I shouted to my dad, "Dad, what the hell are you doing?" And then Dad says, "What?" And then I tried to go up, and then the boat sank. No, the boat like toppled over, sort of. And then all the water filled up, and then it just went down. So then we were all drowning, and then guess what? It was like the Titanic, right? And then the boat, it like went right all the way down, and then the big one that couldn't swim, so he couldn't, and he's quite fat. So we were sitting and then he shouted, "The boat's sinking!" And then so when someone rushes over to try and help us. Well, we were sitting stuck in the middle of the lake, and then the other guy didn't even care. He just said, well, he took his time. So when I swam over, and seeing the boat, it was like a wee like piece of wood to sit on, and my dad had his glasses, like he had his glasses to sit on it, and then I grabbed his glasses, and then I swam over with the glasses. But then, like, see the water, like, once you go in, it's like really deep there. It's like a big slant. So it is a big slant, right? So when it's hard to get out. So when I had to do a big Superman jump up in the air, because, like, I couldn't get out. And then I really cut my knee, but it's sort of healed already. Yeah, it's sort of healed. Doesn't matter which one you came first. Right? And then my hand grabbed my hand. No, the man was sitting smoking, and he had a big fag in his mouth. And then he just grabs my hand, and then he just lifts me. And then see when I was putting my hand on the ground, like there was dog shit. So it was, so I had to like move my hand. You know what I mean? So I didn't put my hand on the shit. So when that happened, and then we got the rope, and then tied the. So when I was out, while he was sitting shouting, the boat sinking. So when we'll finally get him out, my dad out, and then we'll tie the boat up, right? And then we're bringing the boat in, but since the boat was sunk, then it goes up, and then the engine is full of what? Like they just bought a new engine, for about it was £800, I think. And then this is what happens. And then it like, when we were about to bring it, and then it topples in, and it was sunk, right? So we go out, and then we thought it was gone, and then about an hour later, they let my dad have a go to try and look for it, and then my dad, guess what? My dad found it, and it didn't even work. lol. And then, you know, but you have to be there. Like, when I was in the water, I was literally pissing myself. Like, I probably killed like a fish or two, but like, it was so funny. So, yeah, that is my story. Great bent. So, that was my story. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Yeah, boom, peace, boom, woo!